Hey, what's up? My name is Michael, and on this channel we discuss about how to start and run successful small-scale businesses. If you're new here, kindly consider subscribing, and if you are a returning subscriber, thank you so much for watching. In this video, I'm going to take you through the different types of maize milling machines. If you have a dream of starting a maize milling business, this video is tailored for you. I'm going to share with you the types of milling machines that you need to purchase, processes of milling, and also how profitable this business is. Stick to this video until the very last end. You will learn a lot before you plan to risk your money investing in the maize milling business. In the world of corn processing, having an essential and reliable commercial maize milling machine is essential for processing high quality maize flour. This video aims to provide you with insights on high quality commercial maize milling machines that will effectively help you in your maize milling process. Whether you are a processing company or an individual planning to start a maize processing business, understanding this aspect will help you optimize your operation and also achieve exceptional results. As I always tell you, starting any kind of business, the strongest capital you must have is having knowledge about that specific business you want to start. So allow me to introduce to you the types of different commercial maize milling machines you can purchase in order to start an effective maize processing business. Choosing the right machines for your maize processing business will help you to come out with quality maize flour that will help you to favorably compete with existing suppliers in the market. So in this video, allow me to start with the types of maize milling machines you need or you require for your maize processing business. You need the hammer machine, the roller machine, and the shifter or prefier machine. Let's dive deeply and understand what hammer mills or hammer machines are. Hammer mills are widely used in maize milling due to their efficiency. They consist of rotating hammers that strike the maize kernels, breaking them into smaller particles. This type of milling machine is ideal for producing coarse maize flour that is normally used in the initial stages of maize milling. Then we look at the roller mill. Roller mills are widely known for their precision and producing different maize flour grades. They utilize a series of rollers to grind the maize kernel into a desired fineness. Roller mills offer greater control over the milling process, allowing for consistent flour size distribution and enhancing flour quality. Then we look at the shifter machines and the purifiers. Of course, these are the last stages to make sure that the quality of maize flour is maintained in the market by removing foreign substances and anything else that is not required in your maize flour. Purifiers further refine the flour by removing impurities and also improve on the flour texture. Then, after understanding the maize milling machines required for your perfect maize flour production and having the good quality maize flour, you need to understand the maize milling process. The process starts with cleaning, conditioning, milling, and packaging. The commercial maize milling machines play a vital role in achieving high quality maize flour. The entire maize flour making process starts with cleaning the maize kernel. This process ensures foreign matters and substances are removed from the entire maize. Of course, these might include stones, grasses, dust, and any other thing that may, of course, affect the quality of the maize flour that can be got at the final stage. So this is an essential stage that every maize miller must follow to ensure there is quality of the maize flour final product. Then the next is conditioning. Then the cleaned maize kernel are then conditioned to adjust their moisture content and temperature. This process optimizes the maize milling process and improves of on the efficiency of the commercial maize milling machine. Then after the cleaning process and the conditioning process, we dive into the maize milling process, the actual maize milling process. The cleaned and conditioned maize are fed into the commercial maize milling machine to process them into the desired product. Of course, every kind of milling process has a target end. There is a certain final product that we intend to get in any of our maize milling process. So depending on the grades, the type of the flour that you need to get, the cleaned and conditioned maize is fed into the machine and milled to get the desired final product. This can include a combination or a number of machines depending on the process that we need our maize flour to take, and in order to get the best and high quality end product. Then after we carry out our milling process, we shall definitely enter into the packaging process. Of course, this must be done in a way that your brand can outstand in the market where you're going to be selling your products from, or also create convenience in transportation and delivery of your maize flour. So you must make sure you choose a stronger packaging material, and of course branded in a perfect way that can also attract customers' eyes. You should also look for a perfect brand to put on your packaging so that maybe it can also stick in the minds of the buyer. So initially, we must also think about the best brand names we can put on our products to make sure that they fit the demand and the quality of what is demanded in our respective market. We also know that a brand is important also to create its own customers. So if you maintain your brand, definitely that will help you also as a survival trick to make sure that your product penetrates in the market faster. Of course, by choosing a reputable machine supplier will help you to get quality machines that maybe will be long lasting and also offer you the exact quality of maize flour that you need. So take calculated steps, and you can be free to inbox me. I will refer you to a good supplier that can give you high quality, high end machines that can help you in your maize milling process. Thank you so much for watching. We'll meet in the next episode of the video. Have a nice time. Bye bye.